Here's a quick video to show you how you can process your SPX orders in OneCart. So head over to Process Orders and click on Arrange Shipping. And then you can see all of your orders and they are categorized according to your platforms. Now suppose let's just choose Shopify for this example, and you can filter even further to those individual shops. So you may have several shops under your Shopify platform. You can filter accordingly according to your needs to see the orders that you would like to process. So after you've done so, select on the orders that you would like to process. Let's just select these two as an example. These are not real orders, just demo orders. Click on Bulk Action, the drop down arrow. Click on Send to Logistics Provider. Choose the provider, and this is one that you have already set up in your OneCart account, SPX, or as you have named it. Click on Pick Up from My Location. Choose the location where you would like them to pick up your parcels. This could be at one warehouse, single warehouse that you have. You may choose from several that you own or have your products at, it depends. And then click on the date and the time and click on Confirm. Once you do so, you can proceed to print your shipping label and finish fulfilling your order.